dash wipes, trash bags. Oh,
Look at
do
this.
you need
Look at
this?
the
Do you need this?
patio.
Oh my gosh, look,
Do we
at
need
this.
a bag for our
Look
trash?
over here, Kelton. This is like this shit right here. Look at this.
I thought the last car wash we went to was this shit.
We just need like one, right? And we need a trash bag. Oh man, I'm gonna give you one as a souvenir, and I'm gonna keep one.
You just got my pay. Yeah.
Oh, I haven't used it yet. I just got so excited about this car wash.
Just get him the top wash.
Top wash?
Yeah, because
Holy cow!
he is so spoiled.
Oh my gosh, which one are we gonna get? Are we gonna get the signature, the dynamic, or the ceramic glaze? Hi.
Ceramic glaze.
Okay.
Ceramic
we want the big dog. We want a ceramic glaze. Oh man, we are going for it today.
Cool. So that'll be our Platinum Express wash. Hey, here's ceramic glazes included.
We don't want to. We just want one time.
Yeah, that is one
So
time.
it would just be $20.
Are you sure? $20?
Sure.
Okay.
It's gonna be
It's a big one, man. For my clean car, we're gonna get a $20 car wash.
Alright.
even though we just.
For my clean car.
We're gonna get a really
I
clean
know,
car.
right?
Mustang?
It is.
That's cool. It
I
has a
just-
sunroof or what is it?
This is called a panoramic top.
That's awesome. Would you like a
Thank you.
receipt?
Yeah, please.
Alright. Good number to text it to?
What's
Oh.
your number?
You know, if we don't have
No,
a,
it's okay.
a hard
Cool.
copy, it's fine.
No, receipt.
Super.
Good to go.
Man, we are
So
rocking
you
it.
gave one to Kelton already
Yeah.
to keep?
Oh, yeah.
All right, but there's a stipulation, Kelton.
What's that?
I have to keep my window down.
Oh,
no.
my gosh. Okay, now let's try to follow directions.
Okay.
All right, here
What
we
if
go,
he
Kel.
tries to
Are we
wave
ready?
at you?
All right. Oh,
my
this is a
gosh.
brand new car wash.
Let's not run over him.
Okay.
No. Oh,
Come
look,
forward.
he
Oh,
has
look.
an arrow.
And he's not.
Oh,
Mine.
go
Hands
straight.
off the steering.
He's kind of cute. And he's got, look at his arm. He's got autism arm. Autism arm.
Foot off brake.
But
Are we ready?
Look at his
this car in
autism
neutral.
arm.
Is it
I
in
love your
neutral?
arm.
Look at this.
Did you see his arm?
He's like, you know what? You guys are getting the primo treatment.
Here comes that good
Oh,
stuff.
look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh! Wow, that
This is nuts.
is so delicious. Look, Elvis green.
Oh my.
Look up here.
Wow.
Oh, look at all these colors, man. Psychedelic colors.
It's like your rocks.
Right?
Look at these pretty colors.
Look at it. Oh, look at that up there on the top.
Oh my gosh, should I ask them to stop it? Should I try to instant stop?
Oh, this feels good. Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, this is delicious.
Switch the Kelton, look out. Oh, yeah.
This is good ice cream. Oh, chocolate covered car wash. Woo! Yeah, that's the shit. Oh my god.
goodness.
Woo!
Oh, I'm gonna go so
Look
strong.
at these fans. These are the
This is the best ride you've ever
This is not nuts.
Oh, yeah.
Night,
Open your Oh my gosh, that was so good.
Wow.
Oh, let's do it again.
That was the bomb.
Oh man, that was
You know what?
Totally
I'm gonna buy a
nuts.
membership so we can just keep going around.
Peace, y'all.